What do you have for me today?
Your Majesty, Herr Mozart.
Yes, what about it?
He's here.
Huh. Well, there it is. Good.
Your Majesty, I hope you won't find it improper, but I've written a little march of welcome in his honor.
What a charming idea, court composer. May I see?
Just a trifle, of course.
May I try it?
Majesty.
Let's have some fun. Delightful court composer. May I play it when he comes in?
You do me too much honor, sire.
Bring in Herr Mozart, please. But slowly, slowly. I need a minute to practice.
Bravo, Majesty.
Gentlemen, please, a little less enthusiasm, I beg you. Ah, Mozart.
Majesty.
Ah, no, please, please. It's not a holy relic. You know, we have met before, in this very room. Perhaps you don't remember it. You were only 6 years old. He was giving the most delightful concert here. As he got off the stool, he slipped and fell. My own sister, Antoinette, helped him up. And you know what he did? He jumped into her arms and said, "Will you marry me, yes or no?" You know all these gentlemen, I'm sure. The Baron Van Swieten.
I'm a great admirer of yours, young man.
Oh, thank you.
Kapellmeister Bono.
Signore. My pleasure.
The director of our opera, Count Orsini Rosenberg.
Oh, sir, yes, the honor is mine. Absolutely.
And here is our illustrious court composer, Maestro Salieri.
At last. Such immense joy. Diletto straordinario.
I know your work well, Signore. Do you know, I actually composed some variations on a melody of yours.
Oh, really? Which one?
Mio caro donne.
Well, I'm flattered.
A funny little tune, but it yielded some good things.
And now he has returned the compliment. Herr Salieri composed this little march of welcome for you.
Really? Oh, grazie, Signore. Sono commosso.
Oh, this is yours.
Keep it, Majesty, if you want. It's already here in my head.
What? On one hearing only?
I think so, sire. Yes.
Show us.
Does it? Did you try?
Grazie, signore.